Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Robinhood account. First, you need to ensure your account balance is completely zero. This means selling all your stocks, options, and any other investments. Then, withdraw all the cash from your Robinhood account to your linked bank account. If you have any assets you wish to keep, transfer them to another brokerage before initiating the closure process. This ensures a smooth and efficient account termination. Once your account balance is zero, you can initiate the closure. Open the Robinhood app and go to your account settings. Look for an option like Close Account or Deactivate Account. Robinhood will guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your decision. Make sure you understand any final disclaimers before proceeding. This step formally begins the process of shutting down your account. After you submit your closure request, Robinhood will review it to ensure all conditions are met, such as a zero balance. You might receive a confirmation email or notification about the status of your request. It's important to note that once an account is closed, it cannot typically be reopened. Your account will be permanently deactivated within a few business days, and you will no longer have access to your past statements or trade history through the app. Before your account is fully closed, remember to download any important tax documents, statements, or trade confirmations you might need for your records. If you encounter any difficulties during the closure process, don't hesitate to reach out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any lingering issues. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.